Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I have here my Ipsy box, and so I'm super excited to unbox it and do a makeup subscription box unboxing today. So let's just dive right in. There is a bunch of goodies in here, and I've heard that there is a Natasha Denona palette in here, so I'm really excited to see that. But you guys, I've heard a lot of people saying that the Natasha Denona palette is arriving broken. So have you guys gotten one that's broken? Have you guys gotten a Natasha Denona in your Ipsy that's broken? Apparently they are going to, send you a replacement. So if it's broken, I do believe that they're, you send it back or just let them know. There was a form online. Oh, look at this. How beautiful. I can't wait to get into that. But there's a form that you fill out and then they'll send you a replacement. But hopefully that's not the case today. But let me know if you've had that experience. But which one should we open first, dolls? I got so much here. This is a lot today. I can just tell that this is more than usual. We got all of this. And let's see here, this box is called The Great Escape. And it said, pack your makeup bags this month. We've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, wow, color. And so BoxyCharm and Ipsy have now teamed up. So apparently there's going to be BoxyCharm goodies in here as well. So in this box today, I'm receiving the Glam Bag, which includes 5 deluxe beauty samples. And members can choose one product. It's valued at up to $70 and it's $13 a month for the Ipsy Glam Bag. Then there is the BoxyCharm, which you can also order with Ipsy now. It's their family. They've teamed up. It's a great thing. It's all wonderful. BoxyCharm is 5 full-size products. Members choose 3 of those products and it's up to a $200 value and it is $28 a month. This is the Ipsy Creator Incubator box though. So everybody's going to get something different. I can't decide which one to open, but all right, let's just open this one. Is this the BoxyCharm one? Because the BoxyCharm one is going to have the full-size product. So let's see. Beautiful box. Isn't that gorgeous? And beautiful. Oh my god, that's my favorite. This kind of ombre pink and purple and peach. So let me grab something here so I can open this. So here it is, and then let's go ahead and see together what's inside. So it looks like there are full-size products in here, and let's see this one. Oh, Keys Soul Care Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer SPF 30 sunscreen. This is from Alicia Keys, her skincare, and I believe she has candles as well. So I can't wait to try this. And then I love sunscreen, so I definitely can't wait to try it. But here is something called Sweet Street. This is Candy Paint Shimmer Lip Gloss. Okay, I really want to try that out. Let me just finish seeing what else is in here. Here is the Earth Harbor Marina Skin Brightening Ampule. Let's open that up too. Oh, is this the Natasha Denona palette? Let's go ahead and open that. And then here is Lucky Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick from Lucky Chick. So let's see here. Let's see if our Natasha Denona palette is safe, if it's gotten here safely. Oh, it has. Look at how beautiful. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love, there's like a navy shade in here. So I'm so scared now because the other day my shadows fell out of a different palette. They just tipped over and it just fell out. So hopefully that won't happen. But look at how gorgeous, how beautiful for summer. And what do you guys think? This is absolutely beautiful. This is called the Fez palette. So I'll be back and we'll do a look with these. I'm so glad it's not broken. All of my Ipsy items always seem to get here, well packaged and things like that. So I'm not sure why some people, did yours come broken or not? Oh, look at this. This is beautiful from Sweet Street Candy Paint. It's a shimmer lip gloss. This looks beautiful. Let's try some out. Oh, it feels really good. Love the shimmer, and it's the nude shade. So it's, usually shimmer will make your lips look bigger. So that is the good news about that. So hopefully, what do you guys think? Do you like this? And then here is, let's see what this is, a brightening ampule. Oh, here it is. Beautiful. So I cannot wait to try that. Here is the Ipsy bag. So that was probably the BoxyCharm bag, and then this is the Ipsy bag, and then this one is the next one I'm going to show you is the Glam Bag. So let's go ahead and see what we got in our Ipsy bag. Okay, so here is actually, maybe they sent 2 of these, but there are 2 different things in here. You could feel there's something really big in this one on my left side. So let's open this one first and see what came, because this is the incubator box, so you never know what you're gonna get. So here is, let's see, her Floss Brighten Up Highlighter. Let's give that a try. And then here is looks like a lip scrub. I'm not really sure what this is. Okay, so this is Sugar Lips Lip Scrub. And then here is this an eyeliner? The Liquid Pen, Black Onyx, Shades by Sean. So I can't wait to try that. And then here is another Keys product, Golden Cleanser. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I love a good cleanser. So I'm definitely going to try that as soon as possible. And here is a Flame Fighter Heat Primer. Is this for your hair? INH, yes. So this is a heat protectant for your hair, so you can spray this on your hair before you straighten it or curl it or whatnot. So it's going to be heat protection. So how awesome is that? And then let's see what's in this box. This bag here. Ooh, trying to get away from me. Oh, this is the new razor. I love their razor. This is the Ipsy Refreshments line, and they have razors and skincare, and this feels so good on your skin, and it smells, all of the Refreshments products smell so good too, because I believe they have a shave cream. A few products that I used from them, they smelled so good. Oh, look at this. So it has like a device so you can put it in your shower and put it on the wall. How nice is that? It's kind of just a little stock your bathroom, subscribe. Yes, good, clean fun. Oh, they have a membership for Refreshments, so you can order your razors, order your favorite cleansers, and silky smooth shaving. It's 100% true. You come out so, you feel so clean, silky smooth, and shaved. Your skin feels so silky smooth. And it's, oh, here it is. The shave cream. This is a dream. It smells so good, and again, like the other person had said, it was a review, silky smooth skin. 100% true. And the razor it works so good, and it's so beautiful. So they do have a membership, so you'll always have these, you know, they'll send them to your house, and then you'll always have your razors. And they, look at how beautiful the lavender. And so here's where you can kind of hang it in your shower. It has this thingamabob here, so you could hang it in your shower. So how awesome is that? What did you beauties think of your Ipsy box this month, of your BoxyCharm? Did you love everything that you got? Did you get your Natasha Denona palette in good condition? Let me know down below what your experience has been. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today and doing this makeup subscription box unboxing for Ipsy and BoxyCharm. And so that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.